Introducing the OB23 Orbital CNC tube bender from Winton Machine, the all-in-one solution for feeding, straightening, bending, and cutting tube in a single operation. Our orbital tube bender features a chipless rotary cutter and a programmable reverse move for precision and control. With a programmable wipe bend and partial cut snap-off, the OB23 delivers maximum part efficiency while minimizing waste. Add optional box guarding for enhanced safety, and you've got a system that's as reliable as it is efficient. Programmable LRA speeds per bend give you complete flexibility and accuracy every time. Built for production, the OB23 delivers part-to-part repeatability, quick change tooling, and easy programming. With a Windows-based user interface, the OB23 makes it simple to go from CAD design to prototype bends in seconds. As tube bending experts and engineered solutions providers since 1998, Winton Machine designs equipment that works for you. Choose from options like an automatic magazine loader for straight lengths, or integrate automatic end forming capabilities for even greater productivity. Proudly designed and manufactured in the USA,